channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add multiple songs to your Roblox game. Okay, so if you haven't created a game yet, just click on create new game in the create section, press on base plate, and then create game. And then once it's loaded, click on edit. Okay, once you're in the base plate, make sure you go into models and make sure you have this model by cindering, and I will put it in the description, but make sure that you have it because you won't be able to do it without it. I'll put it in the description. Okay, so click on it and then it'll look like this, and I just like move it where no one can see it, like that, and then go over to the Explorer, click on this arrow and click on this and delete it, and then right here on global background music, go click on that and then click on the sound, go to model, go to view, click on properties, and then click on sound ID and delete it. Okay, so now you can like choose your songs, so you can like look up YouTube videos or like some website or something to like show you what sound ID it is, like, so like, yeah, just like look up what song you want and then there should be an ID for it. So once you have your ID, just like type it in here, click on paste if you copied it, and then there should just be a whole bunch of numbers, and then it might take a little bit of time to load, but once it does, okay, there should be the time length right here, and then you can just like listen to it. I'm not gonna play it because I don't want to get copyrighted, but you can adjust like the volume, and you can loop it, but you don't have to. So yeah, and then you should be able to just test it, and then it will be here, and you can it should be playing. If it's not, you can just like turn the volume up. Yeah, and then you can like turn off the music with this button, and then to add more, just click on the sound that you added and then right click and duplicate it, and then you can just type in a different one. You type in a different ID and then it just plays the different song, and then it like shuffles. So yeah, that's basically it. Let me know what videos you want, but yeah, thanks for watching.